Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so on this tutorial we're going to be talking about changing the color of the sky. Not necessarily bringing black and white into an image to specify an object with color, but we're going to actually change color. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the saturation, hue and saturation down here on your layers palette, once again like we did earlier. And you want to come up here and actually click blues, and it's going to unlock this for you. If you click the plus sign over here on the eyedropper tool, as you can see I just did, and you sample up here the blue that you want to change, you can automatically change it by just moving the hue. As you can see, I'm moving the hue, and since I've sampled cyan, it's actually going to give me the opportunity to change everything else that is blue or cyan in the image. So say for instance there's a little bit of cyan on the church somewhere, or on the sign, or blue on the sign, it's going to change that as well. But this image is a good example because there's no cyan or blue anywhere. So this is kind of cool because we can actually change everything that we want. You can even desaturate the sky like we did earlier, or leave the saturation normal. But the cool thing about it is you can change your hue to look however you want. So if you want to have a purple sky or a red sky, and I personally like this kind of look right there, just like an orangey look. Looks kind of neat, kind of mysterious. So we're going to leave it at that. And hit OK, and you got yourself an image that looks really, really clean. As you can see the trees right here, you can see the sky through the trees. It's not a bad selection like some images are. But this is basically it for this tutorial. I wanted to show you that you can use the color inverse tool to definitely make your photographs look a whole bunch better very, very quickly.